Hello lovely people all over the world, welcome to me painting. And I chose some lovely colors. White, this is called pale turquoise blue, which is my absolute favorite color. This one is just turquoise, you can see the consistency here. I mixed my colors with pouring medium and I mixed 50% of colors and 50% of pouring medium. And I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. I use 60% of PVA glue, Elmer's glue, and 40% of water. I sometimes use distilled water, but it's okay if you use just tap water. This one is called sapphire blue. It's very beautiful color, a little bit sparkling color. And this one is dark violet color, if you can see, and this one is phthalo green. So I will be mixing these colors and pouring them on my canvas, and I'm not looking for any cells. I didn't put any silicone in it or any gloss varnish in it. It's just acrylic colors and pouring medium. So I think there might be a little bit of cells, because if you have got the right mixture of pouring medium, it creates cells. Sometimes people think that they have to use silicone for cells, but I get cells even though I'm not using any silicone. So firstly I'll pour my white, and I'm gonna keep a little bit of my white for later. Then here's my beautiful pale turquoise blue. I love this color. And I will be mixing dark and light colors. So that's my pale, and then here is my dark violet color. And I want to keep a little bit of these colors for later on. Now I'll put my turquoise color here. And a little bit of white on the top. Then my sapphire blue, if I say that right. Let's keep a little bit of this one. And a little bit of white. And my phthalo green color, if I say that right. So these are my colors, and white on the top. Oops, there was some lump on the bottom, but I hope I'll get it. So let's make a flip cap, very easy flip cap, like this, and then I'll drag it all the way here. Loads of green. Now let's get it all out of my cup. But the green should disappear because it was on the top of my pour, so I think some underneath colors will show. Let's move it everywhere. Ooh, I like this part. I'll just make pour like this. You know what, I'm not entirely happy how this turned out, so let's make central swipe and hopefully it will turn out interesting. So here we go, white in the middle. And I'm gonna make a swipe. I'm using this piece of plastic, which is great for swiping. So here we go. Nice. Interesting cells growing. Ooh, I like these colors. And last bit. Now I've got these little balloons and I like to roll them in the middle because it creates a nice structure, and after it gets dry I can paint some interesting water droplets on it and it looks beautiful. So let's try to roll it in the middle. Like this. Nice. Maybe a little bit here. I think that will be perfect for my middle water droplets and this amazing lovely swipe. So let's get this dry and I'm going to show you what to do next. Now my painting is dry and I love these cells. And the middle part is also beautiful. It got much darker because I use dark colors, and if you use dark colors like phthalo green, phthalo blue, dark purple, they tend to get much darker after they get dry, which is a good thing because then it's not too pale. And now I'm gonna continue remaking it into something very unique, and you can already see some circles which I draw with pencil. Sometimes I like to draw them with pencil to see if they will be working in these shapes. Sometimes I just paint them by hand if I wanna like embellish some parts which are different shapes than circle. And I'm gonna start with black color. So firstly I'm gonna paint black part here at the top, then white part down here, then I paint my shade underneath the circle and then my reflection here, and you will get your very beautiful bubble. It's an easy way how to make bubbles. You can use lots of different ways, but this is just an easy way how to do that, so you can do it too. And now time to make the rest of them. And here's the result of my pour with middle swipe, balloon kiss and water drops. And what I like about this is that it's going in the middle and these water drops are scattered in the middle and it creates an interesting effect. Well, I hope I inspired you to create your own beautiful art, and if you'd like to show me your art, you can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me. and I'll put the link down in the description box. Or if you haven't done that already, you can subscribe to my channel where you can see many more interesting videos. And if you like this, please give a thumbs up because it helps a lot. Thank you very much for watching my video and for all your beautiful comments and positive feedback. See you soon. Bye.